Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Slack channel private. Need a space for private team conversations or sensitive projects? In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to create a private Slack channel that is secure and invite only. Now let's start by following these few simple steps. The first step is to open Slack and go to the channels. Now on your desktop, just go to your web browser or your desktop Slack app and log in using your account's credentials. Now on mobile device, also go to the Slack app application. If you haven't downloaded it already, you can download it from Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. Now here, you're gonna look for the channels section here. As you can see them, I created some channels right here. Now here, you can either start a new channel by clicking on the plus button, write the channel's name. I'll just write a random name. Click on next. I'm gonna reconnect to my phone. Now here, let's go back. You can here set the visibility. Now, while setting the visibility, it's important to choose the private option. So only specific people with invites can access your channel. So make sure you toggle this option right here and click on create. And now you can add people by their email here. For example, you can write the email here. Or you can add people after creating the channel. Now you can invite the members you only trust. You can pick the exact people who need access, and you can skip and invite later too. And that's it. Now you've made a private Slack channel. Private channels are great for HR, leadership, or confidential project chats. Just remember, only invited members will be able to view or search it. You can't make a public channel private later, so plan accordingly when you create a new one. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.